We all know that eating right is the key to good health. And that path to well-being starts with a simple choice. Now, there's a blender with the power and simplicity to help you make that choice. Introducing high-performance blending with the NutriBullet Blender. The NutriBullet Blender is a simple yet innovative kitchen appliance designed to take your blending to the next level, making nutrient extraction available in a full-sized pitcher. The key is NutriBullet's 1,000-watt motor combined with a precision extractor blade, giving you the power to turn ordinary foods into extraordinary nutrition. With multiple speeds and a pulse function, you have complete control to create any recipe, like savory soups, delicious sauces and dips, creamy, rich nut butters, to nutrient-extracted smoothies, and everything in between. Power, precision, and simplicity. This is next level blending. NutriBullet Blender.